Hi everyone. Today I will tell you a story about Prophet Uzair A.S. and a donkey. Once there was a prophet named Uzair A.S. He had a donkey. Then he came to a place where there was no life. He wasn't in doubt but in curiosity. He said, "Oh, how could Allah bring life after death?" Then the angel of death came and took Uzair a.s. life. His donkey also died. A century passed and the donkey was just ashes. Then Allah made the ashes into bones and skin. Then the bones and skin united and the donkey was alive. Uzair a.s. also came to life. Allah asked Uzair a.s., "How long did you stay away?" Uzair a.s. said, "A day or part of a day." Then Allah said, "No, then you have stayed away for 100 years. Uzair a.s. and the donkey were surprised. Their food didn't rot. Then they came back home. Uzair a.s. saw his son. He recognized him, but his son did not. Uzair a.s. stayed the same before 100 years. Uzair a.s. told his son about the story, and then he recognized him. Everyone was happy to see Uzair a.s. Allah used the story of Uzair a.s. and the donkey to teach us Allah can give life after death whenever He wants to. He explains it in Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 2. I hope you like the story of Prophet Uzair a.s. and the donkey. Bye.